So try your best app. This is a new rising in popularity app, and I just want to share it with you. Quite creative and smart concept in this app, where you can earn from brands you love, connect with your favorite brands, co-create and earn rewards, enter challenges, redeem your coins for cash, earn exclusive status, share your brand love. So I'm just signed up for this app, and so it's quite interesting concept. So you can ask like, what is new about it? The idea like of sharing rewards with brands is like 20 years old in the apps, but in this app they're using crypto. So I will show you. So when you create an account, there are like communities of your favorite brands, and inside of these communities, kind of like Facebook groups, you have different challenges. So here it is. Here is the app. You just have all of these communities. Mostly it's like women or like sports, cosmetics. At the moment, there are not that much brands. They're just been testing these apps. So for example, you join in this brand community, and then basically there are a lot of challenges. So you can, for example, the first one, you can just refer and earn. So you can invite people to this community with your invite code. And then when you do that, you're earning 200 Poppy coins. So this is like these brand coins, you earning them. And these are like some crypto coins which you're earning, and then you're collecting them in your account. You can see which coins you're connected. And then you will be able to redeem these coins, either I guess to withdraw them to your wallet and change them to real cash, or you can then use them to purchase products from these brands at discount or things like that. You can also earn cash back. As you can see here, you can just create discount codes. So yeah, the idea is basically you join these groups for these brands. There are a lot of challenges, there are a lot of tasks. When you're completing them, you earning these crypto coins, and then you can use these crypto coins. So basically you can answer a lot of questions. So you can see a lot of engagement in here. So this brand creating a challenge. So for example, if you bought something in their store, you can share it, or you can scan a receipt, and then you earn in cashbacks in these crypto coins. So for example, if you're shopping in real life, just take a picture, upload it, and you're getting coins. If you bought something, upload it, you get in coins. So it's kind of like additional cashback. And then you also have leaderboard. For leaderboard, you're also getting coins. And then also you can buy all of this stuff from with these coins. So yeah, kind of quite cool idea, and it's in a combination with crypto. So yep, that's the idea. This is still a new app, but it's getting more traction. As I see, it's getting quite high in the chart in the US App Store, and then you just getting these coins. And then there is just like try your best community, where you can just refer people to this community. You can shop, and then shop in their store, and then you also earning some cash back. In here, so that's where you can shop in here, and then just get it. So yep, that's the idea. And then, for example, challenges. Do you allow to create a content? Yes. For example, I just see it here. And then you just link to your socials, and then you can. So feel free also to visit my YouTube channel. And then I earned 50 coins. Nice. So I earned these 50 coins, and I answered it. And then let's see. No, I don't have coins yet. So it's not that easy. So, and it just says pending. Your coins never expire. When you're ready to redeem, just come back. And yeah, obviously you can't just redeem these 50 coins to like $50. That's not how it works. but you can accumulate them and you can get some discounts, some cashbacks, and you need to have a lot of coins, and eventually maybe you can withdraw them to cash or to some discounts. So yeah, that's what it is. Try out this app. Quite interesting. Try your best. If your brand is on this app, definitely try to use it, because I think they're testing it out and they are now creating some really nice, generous discounts.